123. We're going to look at the fourth conjugation now. Our phrase is ad nos converte, turn towards us. First we'll do some review. We'll see what we already know about verb conjugations. The first conjugation has an infinitive form that ends in are, and its distinguishing vowel is a. The second conjugation has an infinitive form that ends in ere, and the distinguishing vowel is e. The third conjugation has an infinitive form that also ends in ere, but as you know, we emphasize a different syllable when pronouncing these verbs. The distinguishing vowel for the third conjugation is the letter I. So there's one last conjugation, which is the fourth. The infinitive form of the fourth conjugation verbs ends in ire. An example is advenire, to arrive. The distinguishing vowel in these is also I. The key to telling the conjugations apart, though, is to look at the first person singular ending. So here's how a fourth conjugation verb is conjugated. Advenio, advenis, advenit, advenimus, advenitis, adveniunt. So, like the other verbs, the personal pronoun endings are added to the stem, but this time they're preceded by the letter I, which of course is pronounced E. And note that the first person singular actually follows the rules this time. So the distinguishing letter I makes its appearance before the personal pronoun ending O, whereas third conjugation verbs omit that letter I in the first person singular. So that's your key to telling the difference between them. And you can see that in the third person plural, that letter I comes in before the unt. Now, if you're curious to know how the fourth conjugation verbs are used in the prayers of the Rosary, then you'll have to wait till a later lesson because none of the present forms are used. Instead, there are passive forms and what's known as the subjunctive form. So they might sound a bit scary, but I'm sure you'll have no trouble once we learn a bit about them. And here's a little did you know? The word conjugation comes from the Latin verb coniugare, to join. And the word is used to describe friendships, marriages, and grammar forms. Vocabulary now. Seppellire, to bury. Venire, to come. Advenire, to arrive. Gemere, to moan or groan or grieve. Convertere, to turn back. Salus, salutis, feminine, health or salvation. For homework, have a look at your text and you can complete the exercises at the end of the lesson. You can download some supplementary exercises if you want a bit more work. And of course, as usual, your drill schedule to keep reviewing your older work, and it'll now include fourth conjugation verbs. That's it from me. Until next time, goodbye and God bless.